Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting SmashFest notifications for new daily changes, events, or bonus rewards? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your settings and scroll down to the list of apps to find SmashFest or directly search for it. Once you search for it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure that it is allowed or toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure it's set to banners or alerts or not. Since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Scroll to the top of your settings and tap focus. Once you find it, tap on it and then go through each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that SmashFest is not in the silenced app list under each one. SmashFest sends time limited bonus alerts, so having these working means you catch reward windows before they expire. So all you've got to do is go to the settings, go to SmashFest, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus mode checked, small SmashFest alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.